Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Bootstrap Badge. So let's see what badges are and how we can use them. First, let's understand what a badge. A badge is a small label that we use to show additional information like a status, category, notification, count. For example, you may have seen a small number on a notification bell. That small number is a badge. Here we can see different example of badge. The basic structure is very simple. We use badge class to create the badge and BG secondary gives the background color. Now let's create a real world example. Instead of just showing the word new, let's create a notification bell with a notification count. Go to VS Code. Here I am creating container. Inside this container I am creating div, adding icon. Now I am creating span tag inside this div. Understand this? Here we have our bell icon and this number is our badge. It tells the user that there are 5 new notifications. Let's quickly understand the important classes we use here. Badge. Badge creates the badge. BG Danger gives it a red background and Rounded Pill makes the badge rounded. Save and see output. So this is how we can use Bootstrap Badge in a real world example. You can use badge for notification count, status, labels, and many other things. And that's it for Bootstrap Badge. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner friendly Bootstrap tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video.